Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sain, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from pressure. So let's start. Now today we will start atmospheric pressure. Now we know the gases also exert pressure, and that is why if we take a balloon and it expands when we blow air in it. But if we blow much air in the balloon, then what will happen? Obviously it will burst. And why? Because the material of the balloon is not able to withstand the increasing pressure of air. So it shows that gases also exert pressure. Now our earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is known as atmosphere. This atmosphere also exerts pressure on all objects, and the pressure which is exerted by the weight of the air, the pressure exerted by the weight of the air on an object is called atmospheric pressure. I am repeating, the pressure exerted by the weight of the air on an object is called atmospheric pressure. And the device which is used to measure this atmospheric pressure is barometer. The device used for measuring atmospheric pressure is barometer. Now we will see when the atmospheric pressure always decreases with altitude. The height and weight of the air decreases as we go up. Therefore, the atmospheric pressure also reduces as we go to higher places. Hence, the atmospheric pressure at a place depends on its altitude. Now, there are few effects of atmospheric pressure. Like the atmospheric pressure is maximum at sea level. As we go to higher altitudes, it will decrease. So, if we go higher up on the mountains, then we feel we need to breathe more often, and as well as our ears pop. Why? This is because the air pressure around our ear decreases, and this causes an imbalance between the pressure inside and outside our ears, leading to the popping of the air. We all know the astronauts, they always wear special type of suits. As there is no air and atmospheric pressure in space, and these suits prevent their blood vessels from bursting because the imbalance between the pressure of the blood and other fluids which are present inside the body and the lack of pressure outside would otherwise make the blood vessels burst. And the mountaineers, they also face this problem like nose bleeding when they reach high altitudes. And this is because the pressure exerted by the blood in their body becomes much higher than the pressure outside, making the blood vessels burst. Now, the force of atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere is very huge. And this was demonstrated by a German physicist and engineer. What he does, he took two semicircular copper bowls and fitted them together in the form of a sphere. Then he sucked all the air from the sphere by using a suction pump. When he used this suction pump, then what happened? It created a vacuum inside the sphere. Now that these two balls were now held together only due to the atmospheric pressure. Then he tried to separate these two balls by getting them pulled apart by a team of 8 horses on each side. But the balls remained held tightly together. Why they held tightly together? Due to the atmospheric pressure and did not separate. This proved that the atmospheric pressure, the pressure which is exerted by atmosphere is very huge. So this is all for today. Have a nice day.